Welcome to our channel, X Enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll guide you through a full tutorial on how to allow everyone to reply to your posts in X. Enabling open conversations and encouraging engagement is a great way to connect with your audience. Let's dive into the steps and learn how to make it happen in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Step 2. Look for the posts icon, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Create your post by typing in what you want to share. Let your thoughts and ideas flow. Step 4. Now it's time to ensure that everyone can reply to your post. Locate the bottom drawer or section where it says Everyone can reply. If it already says Everyone, you're good to go. If not, tap on it to switch it to Everyone. By allowing everyone to reply to your post, you create an inclusive and open environment for discussions and interactions. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled everyone to reply to your post in X. Get ready for meaningful conversations and engaging exchanges with your audience. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.